playing Marmalade again in this session. I've just played him earlier in the session. Let's try and open Sicilian rather than Smith-Morra. Try Keres attack. Right. I'll try and push through for G5 or Queen D2 and castles. An exciting position anyway. Keres attack. G5 here, is it actually doing anything? Not really. I think I need to put pressure against his D5 somehow. So let's go for it. Let's pin this guy and sack H2. I think overall I'm hoping this is a good idea because I want to stop D5. Maybe I can hijack the H file. Rook H1 coming up. Right, if I take in then Rook G8. There's no Bishop H6 just yet because the bishop's pinned. There's also Queen takes D6. So I think I'm just going to pin this bishop because there's an immediate threat of Queen takes D6. Rook C3, Queen takes D6. I've only sacked a pawn. I have a threat. Knight not doing much. If I just get the king out of here for a bit. If Rook takes Queen H6, he plays D5 maybe. Can you get the Queen away from D6 or not? Maybe F4 for F5. Bishop C4 is also interesting, but I'm wondering about the D5 square and some of these lines. Queen E1, Rook E1. And Bishop C4 might be dangerous. Queen F4, is that possible? And there's Rook E2. The idea of queen crashing down. So what about Rook C1 for a moment? Not really. Oh, okay. Can I prove his king is any danger at all? Knight A4. Wouldn't have thought so. Knight D5. Knight D5 check. There's that E file. Maybe that's better. Try and use the E file on the light squares.
Check.
It does look as though F3 is winning a piece there, unfortunately. Which he plays, why not? Is there B4 as Rook E2? I can't get him off that E file. Rook E1. The checks, not leading anywhere. Queen D3. Don't think there's any move here. Too many towel games. There's no move here. Too reckless. I could try Rookie 1. I'm not really hopeful for anything. Bishop down there. Queen G4, King C7. I don't think there's nothing.
Check. Check.
Is there? Rook G4 would stop the king moving. Well, there's Queen D5. Yeah, I'm not too hopeful, I've got to say. It's probably resignable now. Queen check, King C7, it's not really, it's not happening. As he slips up, and there's Bishop G7 on the cards now. I can't see how he can slip up actually. Can get the queens off if he wants. We can play Bishop G7.
Check.
Yeah, okay. That's it. No, let's see. I think I'll spend more time seeing if there was anything interesting earlier. Didn't really have to do much. Just munch me. So this is not good apparently. Yeah, maybe I overkill. Queen D2. I thought D5 was something. D5 no good. Maybe this is just what I should have played. Just accepted this sort of position. Yeah, his king's living in the centre. This is no big deal, is it? Or is it? We're about to find out. Definitely not. Well, that was mentioned, I thought.
Check.
No. Queen D3. Okay, if something else, well, Queen D3 might have been absolutely necessary, yeah, for Knight D5 to be much better without F3. That's a much better implementation, I've got to say. That even here,
check.
And there's Queen takes D5. If I ever got this position, there might be something, or not. No, there's too much going on in that C file. It's like I'm pinned down to C2 in these lines.
Check.
So it's a bit of a disaster, I'm afraid.
Check.
I think there are better ways of playing. Smith Morrow, maybe. Gambit. Okay. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.